What is affirmative action? Hello and welcome. Today, we're going to talk about affirmative action. So what is affirmative action? Let's break it down in the simplest way possible. Affirmative action is a way for governments, schools, and businesses to give extra help to people who have been treated unfairly in the past. This can include people from certain races, ethnicities, or backgrounds. The goal of affirmative action is to make sure everyone has the same chances to succeed, no matter where they come from or what their background is. Think of it like a race. Imagine everyone is running, but some people are far behind because they didn't have the same opportunities before. Affirmative action helps them catch up and gives them a better chance to finish the race. Affirmative action can show up in many places. For example, schools may give extra help to students from certain backgrounds to make sure they can attend and succeed. Companies may try to hire people from different races, genders, or backgrounds to make their workforce more equal. Government programs may help businesses owned by people from underrepresented groups to grow. In simple terms, affirmative action is about fairness. It helps create equal opportunities for everyone so that people from all walks of life have the chance to succeed, no matter their background. Thanks for watching.